Yeah, I think everyone can hear me, Mansad. So for today's online session, we'll be doing the application of routes, di ba? But before that, I need to muna, what do you call this one? I need to uh, gauge muna as to if you have really remember the steps I presented the steps I presented the other week. Okay, so right now I'll be calling some names and then let's try to demonstrate kung paano gumawa ng project from beginning up until to kahit na what do you call this one, kahit makagawa lang ng dalawang routes. Okay, so lahat ng na-demo ko last week, let's try to see if you can still remember or if you have some idea on how to do it. Okay, are you okay with that? Hello. Before we proceed with the application of of routes, okay? Para we can review muna. Let's try to review muna our what do you call this? Our lesson last week. Kung ano ba the review will come in form of demonstration natin. So you will provide me with the instruction and then I will demonstrate it. Or just for me to what do you call this one? Just for me to measure or test whether you have recall or retain the things I've been doing last week. Okay? Try natin. So we'll be doing Wheel of Names. Okay, I'm sure wala mang magpapataas ng kamay. So let's try to do Wheel of Names. Okay? Are you okay with that one? Give me a thumbs up the bay if it's okay with you. Itong i-try. Try natin kung meron bang ma-remember. Okay, only si Aligno and then Dante and then Alampayan ang mag-agree. How about the others? Sige. So if I call your name, na lagi nag-thumbs down lagi. Kita ko dito. Si Sanchez nag-thumbs down siya. May I know, Sanchez, why did you thumbs down?
Wala pa na akong nakuha, sir. Wala pa ako pa-install.
You don't need to install. Kasi nga, ako man yung magpa-perform. Di ba? Okay. Today is September 18. And let's try to see kung sino yung natawag natin. I think I've given you enough time already, di ba? One again. Can you see the wheel of names na I've shared? Nakita niyo ba?
Yes, sir.
Shuffle natin para Sige. Okay. Shuffle natin. Ayan na, shuffle na. Sige. Yung first natin what like for example, consider it nga nag-open ako ng Visual Studio Code. Okay? Let's try to see if you can still remember. Okay. For number 1 or for for our first step, let's try to see kung sino yung mapupulot. Sige. Let's try to see. First one. Medina. Is Medina around? Hindi. Nakaba siya, wala. Kung i-check daw mayor if nakaba si Medina. Nakaba siya, wala.
Wala, sir.
Wala ba? Sige. Move natin siya. Sige. So to have the first one, check natin. Of course, I will show the the screen nato. Sige. Palmones, is Palmones around? Palmones? Si Palmones wala. Nandyan ba si Palmones? Yes or no? Hello? Palmones?
Wala ata, sir.
Sir. Nako, sir.
Naman di Sige. Try na to ha. Okay, so Palmones, given with this kind of scenario, wait muna, I'll just share my entire screen na lang. Okay. So given na, for example, I opened my Visual Studio Code, what's the first thing na I will do there? For example, I will create a new project. Sige daw. Anong una kong gagawin? Like yung goal ko is maka-create ako ng first Laravel project ko. Sige.
Anak ka just
You can only speak English or Filipino as just like what we have agreed, di ba? Sige. What will I
Sorry,
do?
sir.
Anong gagawin ko? Isang step lang ha. Sige nga.
First thing you will do, sir, is you go to terminal.
I will go to the terminal.
Yes.
What do you mean? Like I need to what will I do with the terminal dayon?
You click the terminal, sir. Then you
Terminal.
new
New terminal. Ayan. Oh, dito na ako sa terminal. What will I do? Ito ba yung first step? Hindi.
No, sir.
No daw. Sige. Palmones, we'll reserve you later ha. Let's try to
Sir, sorry.
atong ibalik imong name nimo but then later na. Okay? Sige daw, be. Ano yung una kong gagawin? Gabi lagi kasi may nga ng demonstration. Yes, Ma'am Kate. I'm connecting with CIT 5G. CIT New Office 5G. Kambe. Is Kambe around? Hello?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Na-disconnect mang gyud sa sir.
Unsa?
Na-disconnect si Kambe.
Ako siya i-remove na lang ha. Sige. Those who cannot answer, those who say present bitaw, and then they would not answer, I will remove them from the pagyapon. Kay ano pang purpose natin, di ba? Sige. Next. Ay, wait muna. Hindi ko pa pala na-share. Wait muna.
Sorry sir, disconnect ko sir kay kanang hinayin mo daw ang data.
Himayos will be the next one. Is Kambe already around?
Yes sir, nakigamit ko kay Pacquiao sir.
Okay.
Na-disconnect ko.
Sige daw. Try na to. I'll share my entire screen. The next one dahil is Jimenez. Sige, Kambe. Ano yung unang gagawin ko dito? What will I do? Like I'm already in my Visual Studio Code. What will be the first thing that I will do?
Create new file sir.
I will create a new file. So among this one, ano yung i-choose ko? Which one will I choose? Can you see this one, these options?
Yes sir, open sir.
Which one will I choose, man?
Open sir.
Open. And then,
Desktop sir.
I'll go to my desktop and then what will I do dayon? Desktop. Then what will I do?
Add file sir.
Mag-add ako ng file. Wala mang file dito. File ba talaga? Sige. Balikan takaw niya, Kambe ha. Kaya na to.
Sige.
Jimenez, ano yung una kong gagawin? Sige nga, Jimenez.
Yes, sir. Sir. Mag-create ka og folder, sir.
Create ako ng folder. So, which one? Open folder or open lang?
If nakabuhat na og folder dan sir kay open folder ra.
Okay, let's try to see na wala pa akong folder.
Okay. So,
What will I do?
add folder to
Mag-create
workspace.
ako ng folder. Okay, sige. Saan ako magka-create ng folder?
Hindi, sir, back lang, sir. Dito sa file, sir. Cancel lang sa
File.
add folder to workspace.
Yan.
New folder. Pag new folder lang din, sir, sa desktop.
Wait muna guys. Kasi someone's joining. Okay. Desktop, tapos
New folder, sir.
new folder. What do you want me to name the folder?
Laravel 3C lang, sir.
Lagyan natin ng date na lang para ano. Laravel 3C Except 18. Yan lang. Okay? Sige.
Okay.
And then click natin yung add.
Okay.
Sige. So nakuha ni nasaan ba yun? If I will open the door, there. Yan, open ko. Sige. Blah, 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 blah. Basay na natin. File. Saan ba yun? Open folder. Open. Save. Okay. Let's have Jimenez. Si Jimenez ang unang nakakuha ng ano. What will happen next, Dayon? Dade? Ako sa mag-Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Names, ha? Tapos sa si Jimenez, sino nga ulit yung, we have Palmones and Cambia. Ano sa mo reserve sa mo una? Yeah. Let's try. The next one, Dayon. Hagwaling Emma. Emma, are you around? Is Emma around, guys?
Mic.
Unsa?
Wala daw siya yung mic.
No. That I cannot provide a solution on that one. Okay, let's have another one. Shuffle natin. So the next one. Theopis. Is Theopis around?
Yes, sir. Nasa.
Anong gagawin ko next?
Sorry, sir. Di na ako makita yung screen, sir. Nga na siya mag-host. Nara-di, sir.
What will I do next?
Next is sir. Composer create.
Theopis, I can't hear you. I cannot hear you properly. What's our next step?
This one, sir.
Unsa man?
Sir, go to the terminal, sir.
Go to the terminal.
And create,
Wait lang.
I mean,
Go to the terminal,
composer create.
Wait muna ha. Anong gagawin ko na command for me to go to the terminal?
Press Ctrl G, sir.
Control J. Ayan, sige. What will I do next, Dayon?
Just type composer create.
Composer. Tapos,
Create.
create. Ay, wait muna. Okay, para ito maapod tanan nga steps. Sige. Theopis, kaya tag points ito katulad pag-open lang sa terminal para gid maapod ang tanan. Sige, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Let's have the next one, Dayon. Sino kaya yung
Thank you.
30 points ba niya? Dapat kisahan nigid-nigid. Cruz Francesca. Papili na next step. Sabi ni Shopis kanina, sir, you open your terminal using Command J. Anong gagawin natin?
Sir?
Yes. After opening the terminal, what will I do next?
Composer create.
Wait muna ha. Composer. Sumpay lang, anak. Ano lugar? Hello?
Hello, sir?
Ano yung itatype ko? Ay, naka-camera ko.
Composer space create dash project
Is that a question or a command?
space Laravel
Space Laravel.
space
Tapos,
tapos space first app
That's it, sir. I think.
Sige. First up daw. What will I do then? How do I run this one?
Enter Dion, sir.
Okay. We have Francesca. Am I right? Cruz the nasa Pilipinas gyapon kayo. Am I right? Was it Francesca? Or Cruz? Ano sa magid to? What's the last name gali? Hello.
Cruz, sir.
Cruz. Okay. So we have already Jimenez, we have Chopis, we have Cruz. Now, who's the next one? So the next one. Yung next one natin is si Pagatan. Pagatan around?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pagatan, what will I do next dayon? I have already my
I
like for example, I would
the
want
download na sir.
it's already downloaded. Can you see my screen?
Type CD first up, sir.
What will I do? CD.
CD first up. Space first up.
Kyle, explain mo na what will happen if I will do this command.
Mo-add siya, sir, sa ano. Dani siya sa
It will add? What do you mean it will add?
mo-transfer siya sa control directory, sir.
Okay. It will change the directory from ano mayayari? Like from where and then where dayon?
To Laravel to first up, sir.
Very good. So I'll just press enter for this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if you notice, sige, kagatan got it right. That's the fourth na nakakuha sa this activity. Okay. So we have first up. So that would mean that we are already in our first up folder. And then we are no longer in our Laravel 3 September 18 folder. Okay? Let's have the next one. Sino kaya yung lucky partner natin? Yeah. Arias. Juana Marie. So after this one, like for example, I would want to know kung ano kayang itsura ni first up if I will run it in my browser. Like,
Ay, sir?
nothing.
If i-run na siya, sir?
Yeah. But for example, I would want to see ano kayang itsura ni first up if I will view this one in my browser.
I think dili siya ma-open, sir, kay wala pa may siya server.
What do you mean?
Ay,
That's why you need to provide me with what will I do. Diba? Ano yung gagawin ko?
what do I know? PHP, sir, PHP artisan server.
Para saan ito? Server?
Para maran sa web, sir.
PHP artisan server. It's an error man. Okay. Let's have another one. Huwag mo sabihin yung sagot pa. Okay. Let's have another one. Ang sabi ni Arias, PHP artisan server daw. Pero, when I run it, it's an error. Okay, let's try to see. Pacquiao Curly.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Pacquiao. What should be the correct one there?
Ano, sir? PHP artisan serve.
Sumpay?
No, sir. Ang PHP space artisan space serve.
Okay. Para saan ito?
Para makita nimo iyang katabi tang
Wala, you speak like only
sir
Filipino.
na i-paste nimo siya sa browser.
Okay, I will paste this one sa browser so that I will know then, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Try natin. Try natin. Ayan. Sino ang ulit yung sumagot ganun? Si Pacquiao ba?
Sir.
Okay. So, ito yung lalabas if I will do PHP artisan serve. Di ba? Now, for example, I would want to create, or for example lang like for example, sir, gusto ko na palitan itong welcome page ng a simple hello world. What will I do? Or where will I go? Ikaw, be? Fill of names muna tayo. So we have Jimenez, Teopis, Cruz, Cagatan, and Pacquiao who successfully demonstrated on how to do it. Rabino. Rabino, for example, gusto ko na ito ang default page ni Laravel. Gusto ko lang yung makita is yung hello world lang, kumbaga. What will I do? Rabino? Wala si Rabino, guys.
Sir.
Yes. Rabino, what will I do? Sige nga. Wala. Like for example, ito, di ba? This one is in default mode man. Yung gusto ko lang makita, for example, is a simple hello world. What will I do? Sige. Okay. Nasaan si Rabino? Nawala siya. Sige. Ito mga wala nakatubag, I will mark them absent. Ha? Pwede mo, pakatubag lagi. It's okay to try, guys. Diba? Since Rabino can answer, let's try to have another one. Yan. Let's have Morgia. Roseanne. Roseanne, I would want to change this one into a simple hello world. What will I do?
Sir. First up, sir, then route.
Come again. Can you please make your voice more clear?
Click first up, sir, then
First up.
you can see a route, sir.
I'll go for
Then
route. Web.php.
yes, sir.
Okay. Sige. Sige nga. What will I do in lugar na yun?
Type about up, sir.
No. What do you mean?
About page, sir.
I'll type, Dani. Again, my instruction, I would want to change this one. Ito bitaw, like if I will refresh this one again, yung gusto ko lang makita is si hello world. Then, ano yung answer mo, Maria?
Yes, sir.
Ano yung gagawin ko? Yeah. What will I do, guys? Hello. Sige, I think Maria can't answer it. Sige, try natin later. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, Maldipenya. Ano yung gagawin ko?
Sir.
Yeah. Again, yung question is that if I will without this one, I would want to change it into a simple hello world. Itong page na ito. What will I do? Sige.
Iris, anong view dyan, sir?
Yung itong view lang. Like ito talaga. And then,
Padrong semicolon, sir.
okay. And then,
Colon,
return.
H.
Anong ulit yun?
Single quote, sir. Gayon.
Single quote.
Done, then H1 greater than, then space, then sir.
Space.
Lower, then sir.
Tapos,
Then slash H1 greater than, then space,
space.
less than semicolon, and then sir.
Are we done?
Sir.
Okay na, ne? Okay. Ato'y padagan na. Itong
Ay, wait lang sir.
Ito man.
But kayo sa kwan sir, sa
Again,
single quote sir.
in English or Filipino only.
Sa Pilipinas. Lagayan mo ng single quote sa
Saan?
sa dulo sir.
Dito. Okay.
Tapos i-erase tong single quote na gawa sa H1 sir.
This one. Okay. Ganyan. Hello.
Kanang kwan sir, katong isa sir, pika sir.
What do I do?
Yung sa kabila sir. Yung pinakauna wag mong i-erase sir. Yung pangalawa lang sir.
Okay.
Pangalawa na single quote.
O yan. Kita mo na. Is this
Oh
okay?
sir, okay na sir.
Try to i-run na. I'm refreshing the page. It's still the same. Okay. Thank you, Maldipenya. Let's have another one kasi error pa din. Okay. Try natin na ba? Wala pang Vilma. What will I do next? Vilma, this is an error. Anong gagawin ko dito? Hello? Is Vilma around? Hindi.
Sir, wait lang daw sir, kaya dili ma-open yung mic.
Nakagawas. Ina siya, nakagawas ko kadali. Wala istorya ko, oy. Ina, kadali lang, ha, kadali lang. Wala na, nagkuhan, dili ma-open akong kuhan. Ay, hello sir.
Yes, Vilma.
Nabuha ako laptop.
Yes, Vilma. What will you do?
Dali lang sir, kinakuha na ko.
Ito yung last answer ni Maldipenya. And then when I would
sir.
want to try to run this one, ito yung lalabas. May error. So ano kaya yung gagawin natin to fix this one? Diba yung goal natin is to have this Laravel first page or yung main page niya into a simple hello world. Tapos ito yung propose niya na solution.
Wait,
Yung problem
kuhan
niya,
sir, balik niyo muna yung kuhan sir, yung kanina, yung code, yung pinaka-code niya. Then copy yun sir.
ito. Ano gagawin ko dito?
Copy the route sir.
Copy the route.
And then copy paste that.
And then,
And then sa yung may sa function sir, so yung sa may slash.
dito. Nasaan? Itong
Yes, sir.
pinaka yung pangalawa.
Sa taas, sir. Yung get, then... No, sir.
This one.
Sa baba, sir.
Sa
No,
baba.
sir, sa baba. Yes, sir. Then about... Next pa, sir. Yan, my slash.
This part here. Lagyan ko ng about.
About page. Nice.
Tapos,
Ano ba sila about page? Ang welcome, sir. Change to hello world.
ito. Lagyan ko ng hello world.
Yes, sir.
Ganyan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then, Control G, sir.
So, G.
Clear mo na, sir.
Sorry.
Ay. Kuhan mo na, sir. Press C. Control C.
Control C. Tapos,
Yes, sir. Then, PHP artisan, sir.
PHP artisan, sir.
Yes, sir. Then, enter, sir.
Okay.
And then, copy the answer. Yes.
Okay.
Then, sir, sa dulo, naman ang slasher. Then, about page.
No, okay. Mali na siya. This one is wrong already. Can you remember my instruction was that I would want this page to be changed into a simple hello world na page, di ba? Sige, let's have another one.
Okay, sir.
Vilma, let's have other people, okay?
Okay, sir.
Let's muna to others. Okay. Don't worry, we will go back to you later if meron pang mga
Okay, sir.
remaining items. Shuffle natin. And let's try to see kung sino yung lucky home partner. Lucky home partner is Sulihon. Sulihon, are you around?
Present, sir.
I know, the consider na gusto kong mangyari yan. A while ago, I told you na, di ba, we are provided with a default page in Laravel. Ito yun. Na gusto ko to na i-change into a simple hello world. Like, wala itong mga red, wala itong mga tables or forms dito. I just want to have a simple hello world here. What will I do?
Okay, sir. Balik sa
This is the code.
base code, sir. Yari sa lang route.
Wait,
ng about
again na,
page nga po, sir.
English. I will delete this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Delete ko. Tapos,
Then, erase ng return until sa
Yeah,
semicolon.
uy!
wait muna guys.
Nakapagit.
Okay. Ano nga ulit yun?
Erase ng return until sa semicolon, sir.
Okay. I will erase this one. And then
So,
what will happen?
type echo.
Echo. Para saan nga si Echo, guys? Echo is for. So, Leon, para saan nga si Echo?
Kung naipa-print mo, sir.
Okay, if you will want to print out something, Echo,
Hello world.
Hello world. Hello world. Okay.
Then semicolon sa last. Ano, sir?
Is this okay? I-save ko muna to, ha? And then try natin if it works. Very good. Everyone, can you clap your hands to Sulihon muna? Okay. Sulihon, I'll give you the points. Okay. Okay. Now, let's have the next one. So nakuha ni Sulihon yung gusto kong makita. I would want to have the default page converted into simple hello world page, okay? Now let's try to do a shuffle and then ba? Maka-remember may ganun tanong yapon di ay. Kalang. Kalang, for example, I would want to create another route na yung gusto ko is that slash TCC. Sige nga, what will I do? given this code, anong gagawin ko dito? Hello? Sino nga ulit yung tinawag ko? Si Kalang, di ba? Kalang? Na ba siya? Wala. Na siya? Okay, wala ata siya. Pero a while ago, I think na siya ganyan. Na siya, guys. Check ko muna sa attendance po. Kalang. Yeah, Kalang is around. Where is Kalang, guys? Nasa wala.
Hi, sir.
Okay. Let's have another name from the wheel of names. Okay. Shuffle natin, tapos we only have 22 participants left. Okay. Alcordo. Alcordo, yung question ko is that I would want to, I would want to create another route. Tapos yung, if I will access it, I would have it /TCC. Ano yung gagawin ko, Alcordo? Ito yung given code natin. Sige nga. What will I do?
I-copy lang na mong route, sir.
Kukopyahin ko lang ito. This one.
Yes, sir.
Copy this one. And then, paste it here.
I-paste na mo
Tapos,
sa bus.
anong gagawin ko?
Lang, yung slash, yung href, sir. Slash.
Anong gagawin ko dito? Ito na to, assist na ito.
Slash about page.
Gusto ko gusto ko yung TCC, like /TCC.
Slash TCC, sir. Just, ubos sa, anang, hello world, sir.
What do you mean? So, ito lang siya, tapos I will just add slash dito. Sa manggil.
Ay, sakto na siya, sir.
Naman, okay na ito?
Dito sa slash, sir. Dito sa get, sir.
This one.
Yeah. TCC, sir.
TCC. Okay. Try na i-save Tapos, what will I do, for example, if I will go here? How will I do, Lugar? Like, what will I do? To access yung sa TCC?
Slash TCC, sir.
/TCC. Sige, that is correct. Pero same pa rin sila. What sila sa gali? Alcordo na. Next, let's have another na po dayo na sa. Del Rosario, Paul Vincent.
Yes, sir.
Del Rosario, kanina, naka-create na
Yes, sir.
si Alcordo na isang route that is /TCC. Ngayon naman, gusto kong palitan ito ng welcome to TCC, pero gusto ko yung the running bitaw, yung tinuro ko sa inyo sa HTML, yung marquee.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Paano yun? How will I do it in my,
Balik sa base code, sir.
Sige, go.
Ano, sir? Elise ang hello world, sir. Ang kanang text na hello world.
Okay. Anong gagawin ko dito?
Ibutang, sir? Ito lang ibutang, sir?
Welcome to TCC.
Okay, welcome to
So,
TCC,
change ko
sir.
ito.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to TCC. Now, paano naman or how will I do it like yung kagaya sa first activity natin bitaw na the texts are moving from left to right or right to left bata to. How will I do it, Lugar?
Ibutang dia, sir. Dia sa kanang current kag
Come again,
giblinkan
come
sa
again.
cursor. Dia sa current nga giblinkan sa cursor, dia ibutang ang marquee, sir, nga open tag marquee.
Where will I put it man?
Diha, sir, kanang nablinkan niya, sir.
Danny or Danny mismo si
Diha, sa gawas, sir, sa gawas. Yan.
Okay, Algar Marquee.
Marquee, open tag.
And then
Tapos close dayon, sir, sa pikas. Close marquee, sir.
ganyan.
Yung slash, sir.
Slash mark. Okay na to.
Yes, sir. Try daw, sir.
Save natin na.
Yes, sir.
It's an internal server error. Sige, I'll get back to you later, De Losario.
Okay, sir.
Okay, nice try. Okay, let's have shuffle and then who's the luckiest among the remaining numbers? Yan. Ricania Christian. Ricania.
Is that a question, sir?
The question is that I would want bitaw na if I will open 127.0.1/8000/TCC, yung makikita ko is yung welcome to TCC. Tapos, kanina si De Losario hindi niya nakuha. But he provided us with this code. Anong gagawin ko dito? Sige nga.
Ang sir, ang semicolon, sir, after sa double quote, sir, is you just erase lang, sir.
That's it?
And ibutang siya sa last, sir.
Nani? Is that it? Ako na save na yun.
Ano, sir? I-erase ang sir, echo, sir.
Erase echo. Okay na? Are we done? Silabe? I only have Jimenez, Teopis, Cruz, Cagatan, Pacquiao, Sulihon, and Alcordo who got extra points today. How about the others, guys? What will I do with this one, man?
Galibog ako, sir.
Okay, let's have another one. Loop names tayo. Guys, do not raise your hand na lagi kayo mag-loop names. Kaya pugapon na matugay na kayo. Okay, spin natin. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. Sanchez,
Yes, sir.
ano yung gagawin ko dito?
Lagyan lang equal katabi ng welcome to CCC, sir.
Dito? Or dito sa other side?
Diyan sa kabila, sir. Diyan.
Like saan mo ko lalagay? Before
Welcome, sir.
Marty or before welcome?
Before welcome, sir.
Yun ito.
Yes, sir.
Tapos na?
Wala lang ay ang semicolon, sir, i-erase.
Erase this one and
Ilagay siya sa TCC, sir, katabi ng quotation mark.
sino?
Diyan ilagay ang semicolon, sir.
Dito. Dito? Ganyan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try natin i-save
Hindi pa tapos, sir.
Ay, hindi ka pa tapos. Sige. What will I do? Sige nga. Anong gagawin ko dito? I'll give you 10 counts kasi meron pang ibang gustong sumagot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Good po, sir. Wala na gawin.
Ate, padagan. Hindi pa rin. Sige, let's have another random name. Shuffle natin, tapos spin it. Okay, we have Dungog, Matt Richmond. Dungog, try Dungog.
Sir. Sir,
Yes.
Yung marquee sir is ipapasok mo sa loob ng sa loob ng Hello World sir.
Itong marquee daw is ilalagay sa may...
Sa loob ng double coat
Dito?
yung marquee. Yes sir, yes sir.
Tapos, ganyan lang? Okay na? Hello? Kaya na to ah. Error pa rin guys.
Nawala.
Let's have another one.
Sir, nawala ang wifi sir.
Okay. Sige.
Sir, yung isa naman sir is after ng TCC sir.
Ganyan guys.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Refresh natin ha.
Wala.
Very good. Tinang ulit yun, see? Tinang ulit yun. Ano ulit yung last name? Hello? Sino ulit
Dungog
yung-
na sir, dungog.
Dungog sir.
Dungog. Sige. Ayun naman, sige. Gusto kong lagyan ng isang link dito pero dapat na siya nasa gitna siya. Tapos pag i-click ko is babalik siya doon sa main page. Ano yung gagawin ko? Sige nga. Let's try to have wheel of names. Shuffle natin tapos let's try to see. Para ma-refresh yun na ito, Gida. Okay, we have Olbido. Olbido, ano yung gagawin ko? Gusto ko kasi na meron ditong go back to main page. Pero hindi siya kasali sa hindi siya kasali doon sa moving. Sige daw. Anong gagawin ko? Ito yung code, working code natin.
Paki-repeat lang sir, yung question.
I would want to have bitaw na meron siya ditong like go back to main page dito. Pero dapat hindi siya moving. Okay? Wala siyang galaw. Okay? It should be placed in the center lang. Ano kaya yung gagawin ko?
Yung lang sir, yung welcome lang sir.
Ha?
Yung welcome lang, welcome to DC lang.
Anong gagawin ko dito?
Erase lang yung sir, marquee.
No, I don't want to erase it kasi gusto ko mag-stay siya. Diba? I want to have another na pudayon. Another bitawan number. Sa ibaba niya.
Okay sir. Okay sir. Gets na sir.
Okay.
Okay sir. So add lang sir, echo.
Dito.
Baba sir. Baba. Tapos semicolon.
Semicolon agad? Ganyan?
Semicolon sir. Double quote.
Double quote? Okay. Patulapin.
Sir. Tapos ano po ilalagay?
For example, go back to main page. Ganyan na lang. Sige, go.
Okay, go back to main page sir. Tapos sino ba naman kami?
Sige. Anong gagawin ko?
Tapos sir, greater than
Greater than.
sir, Center sa center tag.
Center.
Sa
Saan
loob sa
nilalagay
ano po?
center tags?
Loob sa semicolon. Semicolon sa double quote. Tapos diyan sa page din sir kanyang close tag.
Ganyan.
Ay sir.
Ito lang.
Semicolon na dyan.
Color. Sige. Ito lang muna sa iyo para we can give points to others. Yeah. Yan, very good. Okay.
Yes. Thank you sir.
Ano mo? Ano ulit yung last name? Sino nga ulit yun? Si
Olvido sir.
nakaka-pronounce ko si Olvido. Now, yung next na gagawin is that we would want to route the go back to main page into the main page talaga. Sino kaya yung lucky home partner natin dito sa Wheel of Names? Okay. Dominguez. Okay. Dominguez. Is Dominguez around? Na present ba siya? Yes or no? Is Dominguez around? Okay, parang wala si Dominguez, no? Try natin. Okay, let's have another one. Shuffle natin, tapos sige. Let's have Escobio. Is Escobio around? Escobio, are you around? Wala si Escobio daw. Okay, let's have another one. Shuffle natin. Tapos we have Sarona. Nandito ba si Sarona? Sarona. Glenn Gabriel. Yes, Glenn. Ano yung gagawin ko? Sige nga. Yung gusto nating mangyari is that we would want, di ba, ito yung output natin, di ba? Di ba, ito. Diba, go back page, gusto nating lagyan ng link dito para if I will click this one, babalik ako doon sa main page. Anong gagawin ko dito? Sige nga. Ano ang gagawin ko? Glenn? Sarona. Ano ang gagawin ko? If I'm done here, I can help. Okay. Sige. Ano yung gagawin ko? Sige nga.
I-highlight yung mga konsa.
I-highlight ko. Ano i-highlight ko?
Ang return, sir.
Wala mang return dito, guys. Wala mang return dito. You can pass if you would want, ha? Para we can have others. Pass ba, Sarona, or we'll wait for your answer? Hello.
Sa ubos ay ko, sir, mag-add kag return, ay mag-utang kag return.
I'll have return. Sige. Return, tapos
Single quote din, sir.
double quote, ganyan.
Single quote na, sir.
Ay, single quote pala, sorry.
Sa sunod din, sir, is list done. Greater than din.
Wait muna.
Each one tag, sir.
Huh? Para saan si H1 tag, guys? I'm not asking for an H1 tag, man. Mali tayo. I'm only asking kung paano bitaw, ito bitaw, go back to main page. Kung go back to main page, lalagyan ko ng link, di ba? Yan yung question ko. Di ba? I know you're watching the video I sent you sa atong demo na ako. So if you're just following it without understanding it, you will not get the things I've been asking for. Okay? Sige, let's have another one. Shuffle natin, tapos yeah. Randy. Let's have Randy. Randy, yung goal natin, again, is that
Yes, sir.
yung goal natin is that, di ba, meron tayong go back to main page. Gusto ko na if I would want to put a hyperlink on this one, tapos if I will click it, I will go back to yung main page natin. Do you know how to do it? Ito yung working code natin. So, what will I do?
Wala ko nang go to the main page, sir.
No. I don't need to remove this one kasi nga ito yung gagawin ko, di ba? Ito yung gagamitin ko. Ito kasi yung gagamitin ko. So what will I do kaya, guys? Do you have any idea? Lagi, Randy? Kaya if not,
I-insert lang na mo ang pan, sir. I-href.
ano ko yung gagawin? Sige, I think you're on the right track. Sige lang.
Kuan, sir, kanang katong open ay greater than, less than i-type dito ang sa center, sir, nga word. Tapos
Wait, so I will remove center lugar.
I know, sir, na ang center, sir. Tapos kuan.
Filipino ka or mag-English kasi nga mayroon tayong mga bisita.
Ay, sorry, sir.
Okay, anong gagawin ko?
Less than, sir. Sorry, I'm sorry. Then ano ba yun? Less than, then href dayon, sir.
Saan ko ilalagay yan? Wait muna. Saan ko ilalagay?
After sa kuan, sir, pagkatapos diyan sa ano, sir, kanang sa center, sir. Diyan, sir. Less than, tapos href dayon, sir.
Hnef? Ganyan?
Ay, href, href, sir ba? Sorry, sir.
Tapos,
Das dayon, sir. I mean, equal, sir. Equals. Double quotation din, sir.
Double quote or single quote? Ano ba talaga?
Double quote, sir. Double quote, sorry. Double quote po, sir. Dayon yung slash din. Ang tawag nun, sir, nung naka-slant na line. Or slash, sir.
And then, what will happen next?
Greater than dayon, sir. Lagay mo yung greater than, sir, after sa ano, sir. Ayan, dyan, sir.
Okay, after that,
sa baba dayon, sir, kay lagay mo yung ano, sir.
dito sa baba,
I mean, next sa page, sir. Sorry, sir. Next sa page.
dito,
Sorry.
or dito.
Yes, sir. Space, sir. Space.
Please.
Greater than, less than, greater than, then, sir.
Less than greater than, ganyan?
Sa loob ng greater than or less than, sir, nandun yung ano, sir, yung slash at saka letter A, sir.
Ganyan. Ganito?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Try natin na. Tapos refresh natin.
Hindi paningot. Ala, error.
Some error. Sige, let's try to see. Sino kaya yung next natin? Okay, refresh natin na. Try to see kung sino yung next natin. Maputol. Maputol, ito yung last code natin. Tapos, yung gusto nating mangyari is that we would want na yung kanina bitaw, yung sa go back main page is it should be a hyperlink. What do you think is the error on this one? According to this one, unsupported operand type string/string. Ano kaya yung mali dito sa ginawa ni... Sino nga ulit yun? Si Randy? Yeah. Is maputol around? Hindi. Maputol.
Yes, sir.
Maputol. Ano kaya ang dapat kong gawin dito?
Sir, ang slash bitaw sir is ibaylo na lang slash og A, sir. Sa last, sir.
Anong gagawin ko dito? Like A, ganyan?
Una ang kwan, sir.
Sino yung mauna?
Una. A slash din, sir.
Ganyan?
Ay, una kanina, sir ba?
Pass ka muna. Okay, let's have another one. Ano kaya dito yung...
Sir,
Dilaw.
ano, sir? Pwede, sir. Ibaylo, sir. Ibaylo na, sir. Ang slash una, sir, ay ang A.
Yan yung ginawa yun kanina. It's still an error.
Sir. Sir, bas.
Okay, let's have another one. Sino kaya yung next natin, de? Shuffle natin, tapos... Gikana. What do you think is wrong about this one?
Kuan sir, okay na sir. Ang kanang kuan dili na i-change.
Pwede rin.
HRF. Go back sa main page ba?
Yeah.
Center. I think wait lang sir, nawala akong papel. Sir, pasa ko sir. Balik ako sir.
Sige, go. Let's have a shuffle and then this one. Distal. Distal.
Sir, hello, sir.
What do you think is the error for this one?
Sir, kanang slash bitaw sir nga nakasulod sa double quote. Ay, sir, yung slash po na nakapasok sa double quote is yes, sir.
Anong gagawin?
Pakilagay dyan yung go back to main page, sir. Tapos, paki-delete tong go back to main page sa...
Ito. So you say, I will remove this one here.
Yes, sir. Then, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ito to. Sige. Save natin na.
Yes, sir.
Nice try, pero mali pa rin. Sige. Balik natin guys ha. Ang gustong mangyari ni sir is that gusto niya na this one bitaw. Diba? Kanina yung last working code natin is that ito yun. Diba? If I will run this one, si welcome to TCC is it's moving. Si go back to main page, hindi. Yan yung gusto rin makita kanina. Yung gusto natin is that you would want go back to main page to be working as a hyperlink na pag i-click ko to, babalik ako sa main page. So far, wala pang nakakakuha. And let's try to have another one pag yun. Basta hindi makakuha, Debe. Refresh natin. Tapos shuffle natin kung sino yung next natin. Sige daw, be. Alampayan. Alampayan, anong gagawin ko dito?
Yung number 11, sir, palitan ng return.
Palitan ng return. Sige. Tapos,
Return, then
return, tapos,
isa ka,
wait muna guys. Anong gagawin ko dito?
HRF Dayan, sir.
Return HRF.
Greater than, wait lang, sir. Before sa return, sir, na greater than A.
Before sa return, meron tayong greater than A, ganyan. Tapos,
Then, pagkatapos sa HRF,
space HRF. Tapos, equals,
double quote, sir.
double quote,
Slash,
slash,
wait, sir, after sa return, sir, ang AHRF.
ano ba talaga ang gagawin ko dito? Si AHRF is ilalagay ko after sa return, right? Dito. Ganyan yung gusto mong yung mangyari.
Opo.
Tapos,
Slash,
nag-slash na ako.
ay, TCC,
Ha? Okay, this code is wrong. Sige. Balik natin yung working code natin, ha? Guys, you focus lang on this one. Tama kayo na lalagyan ko ng AHREF. Pero paano ko i-implement si AHREF? Let's have another name na sad. I'm sorry, Mayor. Let's have another one, ha? Sige. Bagkat. Sige. Bagkat. Ano yung gagawin ko? Diba yung gusto ko mangyari kanina is something like this one. This one is okay. Pero gusto ko na si go back main page is lalagyan ko ng hyperlink para if I will click this one, babalik ako sa main page. Ito yung working code natin. Ano yung gagawin ko?
Yung echo, sir, pwede, change ng, single quote.
Okay.
Imbes na double quote. Tapos, yung before ng center, sir, na tag, lagyan ng 8 na tag.
Ganito? A nga tag?
Di dyan, sir, sa pinakauna.
Dito?
Yes, sir. Tapos sa last rin, close na tag na 8.
Ganyan?
Yes, sir. Tapos, sa loob ng A, lagyan ng space, tapos href.
Href, tapos?
Space.
Space. Equals?
Ayun. Sir.
Ganyan lang?
Space pa, sir.
Space? Ay, sorry. Ay naman. Tapos? Equals?
Double quote.
Double quote.
Tapos sa gitna ng double quote, lagyan ng slash.
Slash. Slash ba?
Ganyan, sir.
I-save natin, ha. Try natin.
Ayos, sir.
Oh, very good. Look what happened, Galia. If I will click on the go back main page. Yan, very good, Bagkat. Sige, I'll give Bagkat another point. Okay. Let's give Bagkat muna, asa na gali? Kanang kapihan sa for Bagkat. Kay, siya ganawa ko pinakasudyod. Very good. So, let me show muna the code, ha. Kung ano yung ginawa ni Bagkat. Para you will understand kung ano, bakit, saan, or where did you happen to got it wrong? Okay? So a while ago, di ba? Yung ginawa ni Bagkat is that, actually kanina, it's okay man to kanina. Like for example, ganito. Di ba? Look what will happen, gali ha. Even if it's a double quote, pag naka-double quote siya, naka-single quote siya, it's in red. But if I will have it in double quote, nagiging black siya. And then if I will change this one into a single quote, look what will happen. Diba? So obviously, if you will do something like this one, make sure nga if outside is double quote, dapat yung mga naka-inside na naka-quote, it should be single quote na dayon. Okay? So that's why it works a while ago. Let's see if it works sa pagyapon daw. Nakuha ba? Nakuha ba, guys? Okay. So that will be our a review on what we have last time, and I'm so happy na at least man lang, di ba? Although medyo naldugay, but then you happen to perform it. Now,